For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a furniture-making business today can be more efficient and scalable than ever before with the help of artificial intelligence. From idea generation to production, AI tools can streamline operations, boost creativity, and reduce costs. This step-by-step guide walks you through the process of launching a furniture-making business, incorporating practical ways AI can assist at every stage. 1. Market research and niche selection. Before investing in tools or materials, identify your niche in the furniture market. This could be handcrafted wood furniture, ergonomic office desks, custom cabinetry, or eco-friendly pieces. Use AI tools. ChatGPT for researching trends. Google Trends for popularity analysis. Exploding topics for emerging design styles. Example prompt for ChatGPT. Act as a market research expert. What are the top trending furniture styles in 2025 in the U.S. market? 2. Create a business plan. A solid business plan will outline your mission, target market, competitive analysis, product offerings, financial projections, and growth strategy. Use AI tools. ChatGPT to draft the plan. Notion AI for organizing ideas. Copy.ai to enhance wording. Example prompt. Create a furniture-making business plan targeting eco-conscious millennials, with a focus on sustainable wooden products. 3. Choose a business model. Decide if you'll be custom-made furniture maker, mass manufacturer, online retailer, local showroom operator. Use ChatGPT to evaluate pros and cons. Compare the profitability and scalability of selling handmade furniture online versus in a local store. 4. Register your business. Select a business name, register with local/state authorities, and apply for necessary licenses. You'll also need an EIN from the IRS for tax purposes. Use AI tool. LegalZoom AI Assistant for document generation. Prompt to ChatGPT for name ideas. Suggest 10 unique and brandable names for a modern furniture company focused on minimalism and sustainability. 5. Design your furniture line. This step defines your creative identity. You'll need to design products with functionality and aesthetics in mind. Use AI tools. Fusion 360 with generative design. Midjourney or DALL-E for visual inspiration. ChatGPT for creative naming and descriptions. Prompt. Generate 10 minimalist furniture design ideas suitable for small urban apartments. 6. Source materials and tools. Decide whether to source locally or globally. Balance price, quality, and reliability. AI can help evaluate vendors and predict supply chain risks. Use AI tools. Kensho or Latticeflow for supplier data insights. ChatGPT for pros/cons analysis. Prompt. List and compare the top hardwood suppliers in the U.S. based on pricing, sustainability, and shipping speed. 7. Set up your workshop. Depending on your scale, you may start in a garage or lease a full workshop. Layout planning is critical to ensure workflow efficiency. Use AI tools. Planner 5D or SketchUp with AI plugins for layout design. Prompt to ChatGPT. What is the optimal layout for a 1,000 square foot furniture workshop with zones for sawing, assembling, finishing, and storage? 8. Automate and optimize production. Even small workshops can benefit from semi-automation. Use CNC machines and AI-supported quality control systems. Use AI tools. PathPlanner.ai for machine layout. Machine learning models for error detection in final products via image analysis. Prompt. How can I use AI vision systems to detect defects in wooden furniture pieces during the quality control process? 9. Branding and website development. Create a brand identity and build an online presence. Your website should showcase your product line, include a story behind the brand, and offer e-commerce functionality. Use AI tools. Wix ADI or Shopify Magic for AI-driven website creation. Loca for logo and brand kit generation. ChatGPT for copywriting. Prompt: write an About Us page for a modern handcrafted furniture brand that values sustainability and simplicity. 10. Set up pricing strategy. Determine costs, profit margins, and customer willingness to pay. Use AI to simulate pricing models and consumer behavior. Use AI tools, ChatGPT or Excel plus Solver to model pricing structures. Crayon to analyze competitors' pricing. Prompt: help me calculate retail prices for a furniture line with a 60% markup, accounting for $100 average production cost per unit. 11. Plan marketing campaigns. Promoting your furniture business is essential. Develop a content calendar, run paid ads, and engage customers on social media. Use AI tools. ChatGPT to generate content. Canva Magic Write for social media visuals. AdCreative.ai for ad design. Surfer SEO for blog content. Prompt: create a 30-day social media content calendar for launching a new rustic furniture brand on Instagram. 12. Handle sales and customer support. Manage orders, track inventory, and handle customer inquiries. Use AI for automation and better response times. Use AI tools. Zendesk AI for customer support. Tidio or MiniChat for chatbots. QuickBooks Plus AI for bookkeeping and invoicing. Prompt: draft chatbot responses for a furniture store answering common questions about delivery times, returns, and custom orders. 13. Collect feedback and improve. Continuously learn from customer feedback and reviews. AI sentiment analysis tools can extract insights for product or service improvement. Use AI tools. Monkey Learn or Lexalytics for analyzing customer sentiment. ChatGPT for summary and action planning. Prompt: analyze these 100 customer reviews and summarize the most common praises and complaints about my furniture products. 14. Scale and innovate. As your business grows, consider expanding your product line or opening new channels such as pop-up stores or interior design services. Use AI tools. Tableau AI for data insights and scaling opportunities. ChatGPT to brainstorm growth tactics. Prompt: what are 5 scalable growth strategies for a small but successful online furniture brand looking to double revenue in 12 months? 15. Stay current with trends and AI innovations. Furniture trends and AI tools evolve quickly. Stay informed by subscribing to newsletters, blogs, and industry podcasts. Use tools. Feedly AI to aggregate news and trends. ChatGPT for weekly summaries. Prompt: summarize the latest trends in sustainable furniture materials and smart furniture features in June 2025. Final thoughts. Starting a furniture-making business today is more accessible thanks to AI. Whether you're a solo artisan or aspiring to build a scalable brand, the use of AI tools can save time, improve design, enhance marketing, and boost productivity. By integrating AI at every stage, from planning and production to sales and support, you can build a modern, efficient, and competitive furniture business tailored to today's market needs. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.